I love getting outdoors, and no matter what time of year it is, being outside is just healing for me, and healing for all of us. And because we collect and take on so much of the charge and energy of what is surrounding our physical bodies on a daily basis, it's always a great healing experience just to take a walk in nature. Among the elemental world, inanimate objects, trees, rocks, dirt, grass, the sky, all in their own meditative state, watching us enjoy their fruits, their talents. And we can learn a whole lot from nature. We share all common elements and nourish each other in the process. The healing light, endless sky, and the ground does exactly what it says. It grounds you from the electrical charges that are surrounding you. Just breathing into fresh air, having the sun hit your face. It doesn't matter if it's 80 degrees or 30 degrees. And water sustains us from the time it cushions us as an embryo to the day we die. And under a microscope, a healthy drop of water looks like a complicated flower. Knowing that seawater and blood are nearly identical. The only difference that seawater has more magnesium and blood more iron. And water extinguishes fires, forms steam, solidifies into ice, and is ever changing. It has no form, yet molds into its container. The trees give us energy. Trees are emitting energy all the time. Every needle of the tree, every leaf. And trees communicate with each other as far as 50 yards apart. And if there's a damaging bug on one tree, well, that tree sends a message to neighboring trees so that when the bug arrives, a bitter substance has been secreted into its leaves to discourage that bug from getting onto it. When that tree dies, neighboring trees often die, causing a chain reaction. And the tree is as grounded as the taproot, the middle root of the tree that reaches deep down into the earth. As long as the taproot is intact, the tree or tree stump cannot be removed. If our lives are built on something solid, the winds and storm of life may blow, and you may sway back and forth, but you will remain standing strong as long as you hold firmly onto that life-giving force. And nature spirits keep the plants standing upright in spite of the incredible force of gravity. And our human spirit provides life force to what is our human form. And although you can't see the spirit, you can feel it. It's in the form of strength and courage and love. And one way to keep balanced is one step at a time. Sometimes being in the present moment, living just one step at a time, is the best way to notice the beauty that surrounds us. And that's why it's called the present. Because the present is a gift. And your gift is this moment. So notice the little things that are always there waiting for you, to notice them, to share their light, explore the surroundings around you. Where there once was life and people, there are bound to be spirits. So just look, observe. Don't be obvious about it. Just be. My name is Aiden.